So I've been doing a lot of rearranging in the shop recently, and I need a little bit more storage. So what I'm going to do is use up some of the scraps that I have laying around that aren't really good for much. So I'm going to try to use it as much as I can to make a small tool chest. It's a rainy day. We'll see how much I can get done. Hopefully I can make something that's not completely ugly out of this assortment of stuff. So yeah, it's going to be a quick and dirty build. It's already late in the day, but we'll see how quickly I can do it. Instead of joining these properly, I'm just going to run them through the table saw a couple times on each side to give me a relatively good edge to glue these up quick and dirty. Do a little design change here. here it is. Really happy with how it came out. You can see I created a lot more storage here just by using up some scraps. Really like the contrast between the pine and the OSB, and then the black drawers on the inside. It's a very functional piece, and I used up some scraps that were only taking up space in the workshop. Let me know if you want to see more of these kind of shop projects. I don't always film them, but I figured it was a good quick video to show what you can do with some scrap material. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments.